Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're focusing on something that can transform your home entertainment experience without breaking the bank. Did you know you don't need a big TV for a cinematic experience anymore? That's right, with the advancements in projector technology, you can now enjoy a movie theater-like experience right in your living room, bedroom, or even outdoors. Today I'm going to show you the top budget projectors in 2025 that can turn your wall into a movie theater, anytime, anywhere. These projectors are not only affordable but also packed with features that make them a great alternative to traditional TVs. Let's start with the EGate Y9 Pro automatic projector. This projector is a fantastic choice for those who want high-quality visuals without spending a fortune. This little beast packs a punch with its native HD resolution at 1280x 720p, but it can handle full HD 1080p too. Imagine watching your favorite movies and shows in crisp, clear detail. You'll love the auto keystone correction. Say goodbye to those skewed images. This feature automatically adjusts the image to ensure it's perfectly aligned, no matter the angle of the projector. With 2100 lumens of brightness, it's perfect for movie nights and light office presentations. You won't have to worry about dim images even in rooms with some ambient light. It's got HDMI, USB, AV, and VGA support. So, it's super versatile. Whether you're connecting a laptop, a gaming console, or a streaming device, this projector has you covered. Using it is a breeze. The user-friendly interface and remote control make it easy to navigate through settings and options. Just plug it into your laptop or phone using HDMI or a converter, adjust the focus ring, and enjoy a sharp, bright display even in semi-dark rooms. It's that simple. Next up is the mini projector YG-300 Pro, a super portable option. This tiny device is perfect for those who are always on the go. Don't let its size fool you. Despite being small enough to fit in your hand, it delivers a surprisingly good performance. It's got a resolution of 320x240p but can support up to 1080p input. This means you can still enjoy high-definition content even from such a compact device. Plus, it has a built-in speaker, USB, HDMI, and an SD card slot. You can play media directly from a USB drive or SD card, making it incredibly convenient. It's great for kids, cartoon viewing, or even when you're traveling. Imagine setting up a mini theater in your hotel room or at a friend's place. To use it, just insert a pen drive or connect your device using HDMI. The setup is quick and hassle-free, so you can start watching in no time. It's powered via USB, so even a power bank can run it. How cool is that? This makes it perfect for outdoor movie nights or camping trips. Finally, we have the Lifelong LightBeam Plus smart projector. This one's a game changer with its advanced features and smart capabilities. This one's a game changer with its 1080p native resolution and Android 9 built right in. You get a sharp, vibrant picture quality and the convenience of a smart interface. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support make it super convenient. You can connect wirelessly to your devices, stream content, and even use Bluetooth speakers for enhanced audio. You can stream directly from pre-installed apps like YouTube and Netflix. No need for additional devices or cables, no need to connect anything. Just turn it on, connect to Wi-Fi, and start streaming your favorite content directly from the projector. Just turn it on, connect to Wi-Fi, and start streaming your favorite content directly from the projector. It's like having a smart TV, but more versatile and portable. So whether you want a home theater, a travel companion, or a smart standalone projector, these options fit all needs and budgets. Each of these projectors offers unique features that cater to different preferences and requirements. Which one would you pick? Are you leaning towards the versatile EGate i9 Pro, the portable mini projector YG-300 Pro, or the feature-packed Lifelong LightBeam Plus smart projector? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and which projector you think suits your needs the best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and recommendations.